Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my
Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start decorating for Christmas. Can you believe it? Like, I still cannot believe we are in November and December is right around the corner. So you all must know what that means, right? It means I need to get this house ready to decorate. So what I'm going to be doing today with you all is cleaning as much as I can to finally start putting up some decorations for Christmas. So I'm not going to be putting too much decoration today. I'm actually just going to be putting bits and pieces here around the house just to really get my son excited. So I have a lot of Christmas decoration. I think this is definitely my favorite holiday to decorate for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna take a couple of things out and start putting them around the house. I think within a week I'll probably bring everything out, but it's just so much and I have still yet to take some of my fall decor out. So that's something else that you guys are gonna be seeing me do. I'm gonna be taking out all my fall decor and putting in some Christmas magic into my rooms. Okay, so I need you guys to be honest. Am I the only one that still has floral summer dresses in their closet? Oh my goodness, I have been so lazy to switch this out, but today is the day and I'm getting it done. So it is time to put these away and it's time to bring out the comfortable, cozy sweaters. It is so cold here, I can't even believe that I have still yet to do it. Okay, so let's talk about this chair. At one point, I thought it was such a wonderful idea to buy a chair for my room. Boy, was I wrong. We have yet to use it to sit on it. Actually, I lied. I think I used it once, but ever since I bought it, it has literally just been a place where we throw our clothes, our towels, our pillows. So I'm going to empty this out and try to maintain it, but please wish me luck because I don't know how long it's gonna last. So we live on a pretty busy street and my son absolutely loves looking out these windows, so I'm gonna make sure I disinfect them really well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stick these Christmas jellies that I bought at the dollar store. My son loves these so much, he loves moving them from one window to the other, so I think it's gonna be a really cute surprise when he sees these up. Toys and more toys. Oh my goodness, my son is incredibly blessed and he has such wonderful family members that always get him toys. So I was trying to think of another way that I can store these toys, but I just didn't want to buy another toy chest because that would simply take up more space in his room. So I decided to go on Pinterest and of course I found something that would work. So I ended up buying a shoe holder for the back of his door and the toys fit perfectly and they're out of the way. And I just wanted to give you guys a tip. If you guys are gonna do this, make sure you buy it in mesh and not plastic, and here's why. My son always plays with these toys, so I always disinfect them. If they're plastic, you're gonna have to take them out individually and disinfect it, but if they're mesh, you could just spray right over it and bam, super easy, and they're all disinfected. Okay, my friends, so I have a surprise for you all. As we know, Christmas is right around the corner and it is going to be here before we know it. Now, of course, it is such a magical time of the year, but it also comes with a lot of stress. A lot of the times we feel pressured to buy a lot of gifts for people. We feel the need that we have to buy a new outfit for Christmas dinners, and sometimes we just don't have the means to make it happen. So I wanted to do something special for my subscribers. I am going to be doing a little giveaway, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment down below your favorite Christmas movie. Mine being Home Alone, of course. So I am going to be giving away a $50 gift card to Amazon. So next week I will be posting part 2 to my Christmas decorating video, and that is where you'll be seeing me and my family decorate our Christmas tree together and just add a little more Christmas magic throughout the house. And that is where I will be announcing the $50 Amazon gift card winner. And of course, you guys can do whatever you want with the money. I just wanted to really show you my gratitude because, well, you guys have been extremely amazing to me, showing me so much love, so much positivity on my videos that I couldn't be more thankful for each and every one of you. I know times can be really hard right now, but I promise you we will get through this, and you will get through this. You just have to believe, and it will happen. So I'm rooting for you, and I hope that you win. And I hope this brings a little bit more magic to your Christmas this year. So I will be choosing a winner next week, so make sure you stay tuned. So while I'm cleaning my kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my favorite essential oils so that way I can really get in the spirit of Christmas. Thieves and bergamot, oh my goodness, that combination, it just brings me so much joy, and the smell is so calming. And with that being said, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip. So here I have these downy beads that smell incredible. I literally like to throw a couple of them in right after I change my garbage bag, and it really helps with the odor. Try it, let me know what you think. friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I hope that I gave you some motivation to get up and get things started, start organizing your home, and start decorating for Christmas. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jackie, and I hope that you decide to stick around. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, do not forget about this giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe and comment down below your favorite Christmas movie. Once again, thank you so much for watching and for all the love and support, and please continue to stay safe out there, my friends. Thank you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!